This is test ID 74, component ID 00. The natural vacuum leak detection. A small leak was detected during the engine off test. Now, the test limit is going to be a maximum value. It's going to time how long it takes to see the natural vacuum leak detection switch close. The natural vacuum leak detection system expects the natural vacuum switch to close as the fuel cools after the engine is turned off. For this to function, we've got a pressure relief check valve and a vacuum check valve that has to operate correctly. Let's go see what else can go wrong with this. Right, it might fail. First and foremost, you could very well have a small leak present. Don't forget to check the gas cap. About 25% of the leaks are the gas cap. But it may be that the natural vacuum leak detection switch does not operate properly, or one of the check valves is stuck open. If it's stuck open, we will not develop a vacuum and the switch will not open. Now let's take a look at some data. One thing you must understand, 74, when it fails, it's going to go run the engine running test just above it at 73. So if I have only a failure at 74 and not at 73, I have a small leak. If I have a failure at 73 with the engine running, it's going to do a specialized test to see if it can develop a vacuum when the purge solenoid is cycled off and on, and you see we have a failure there as well. These three failures together tell us we have a large leak. That's an important finding. So what you're going to check for is a small leak if only 74 failed. We're going to look at the other indications for a large leak, and you should watch the video on natural vacuum leak detection. When we have all three like this, we're now looking for a large leak. So it's a matter of how you attack this problem. You've already been here with 72 and 73 if you're going in order. If you came straight to 74, one of the reasons we use the PC screen like this is we get to see them all at one time, telling us that all of them have failed. So this is what you might want to be looking for when you have a gross failure. So utilize this information and all the pieces together to be most effective in diagnosing mode 6.